Hello all. In this video, we are going to view system settings. In the System Settings section, there are tabs for Import-Export, General, Network, RSS settings, Security, Error logs. In this section, you can back up configurations in Touch Panel and restore these in another Touch Panels. In the pop-up window, you can select the file you exported before and upload it. Note that when restoring selected modules, previously configured module parameters will be deleted. It is the section where information, such as which block the touch panel is in, which floor, which flat it is in, and the contact information of integrator commissioned the project are configured. The location is also specified in this section. According to the location information, weather, sunrise, and sunset information is taken from the weather server. It is the section where information, such as name of the touch panel, user interface language, and background picture, are configured. If you want to change the background image of the main menu of the screen, click on the Select File button and select the image you want to upload. If you want, you can blur the image you uploaded by clicking on the Blur button. The background image size should be equal to the screen size you are using. It is the section where Touch Panel screensaver settings are configured. Choose Screensaver Time. Time can be selected between 1 to 60 minutes. It is the section where weather settings are configured. You can choose temperature unit, and you can choose polling period of weather information from cloud servers. It is the section where doorbell and ringtone settings are configured. To do this, click Doorbell Enable button to activate doorbell function. Choose Doorbell Trigger Type and enter requested parameters according to doorbell trigger type. Choose the intercom ringtone, doorbell, and doorbell repeat count. Turn on Camera Preview if you want to view selected camera when doorbell is triggered. Choose Camera to be displayed. To do this, the camera must first be defined from the IP Cameras menu. You can enter how many seconds the camera image will be displayed when the doorbell rings. It is the section where time settings are configured. It is the section where physical address of touch panel and KNX bus is configured. To do this, enter KNX source address of touch panel. This section is where the Ethernet interface of the screen is determined and the IP configuration is made. Select the Ethernet interface of the screen that you want to connect to the internet and make sure that the network to which the interface you prefer is connected has an internet connection. It is the section where RSS feed settings are configured. The standard RSS feed types are news, business, technology, sports, and economy. When the RSS feeds under these headlines are checked, they will be displayed on the RSS widget in the dashboard of Touch Panel user interface. This is the section where security system password and integrator password of Touch Panel are configured. Enter the password to be used for arming and disarming the alarm in the security password section. Before entering this password, the password must be activated from the Security tab on the Touch Panel. This is the section where occurred system errors are listed on the Touch Panel. You can view previously recorded errors as a list, and to export error logs, click button on the upper right corner of the page. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.